Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Our discussion will start on page 193. Okay, so we're already here on lesson number 62 and our topic would be about picture-based speaking activity. Okay, picture-based speaking activity. Now let's discuss the teacher's language. You can see here. Let's start reading. A's, I have a picture for each of you. Don't show your picture to the B's. You're going to tell the B's what's in your picture. The B's will try to draw a picture that looks like yours. A's, tell the B's about your picture. Also, tell them where the things are. Draw what the A's tell you, and don't show them what you're drawing. Okay, so this time we're going to see a dialogue about the picture-based activity. So let's start with a dialogue, and the teacher begins. Today, I've brought in some interesting pictures. But first, let's make pairs. And then the students form A and B pairs. Okay, A's, I have a picture for each of you. Don't show your picture to the B's. And then, you're going to tell the B's what's in your picture. The B's will try to draw a picture that looks like yours. Is everything clear so far? Then the students answered yes. Teacher now. Now A's, tell the B's about your picture. Tell them what's in the picture. Also, tell them where the things are. And then B's, draw what the A's tell you. Don't show them what you're drawing. Okay, so that's it for the picture-based speaking activity. Now, let's study the other expressions. We have here the first one. I have a picture for each of you. You could also use the expression, here's a picture for you, or I'm going to give everyone a picture. Okay. Number 2, we have here, don't show your picture to the B's. You can also use the expression, don't let the B's see your picture. Keep the B's from seeing your picture. And be sure not to let the B's see your picture. Okay? Number 3, you have here, you're going to tell the B's what's in your picture. You'll be telling the B's what's in your picture, and your task is to tell the B's what you have in your picture. They all mean the same thing as the B's expression, okay? Now for number 4, we have here, A's, tell the B's about your picture. A's, describe your picture to the B's. Or A's, look at your picture and tell the B's what you see. So tell, describe, and tell what you see. It just means, again, the same thing. Next one we have here, number 5. Also, tell them where the things are. Tell them where the things are in the picture too. And in addition, let them know where the things are located. Okay, so are you following? Okay, that's great. Another expression we have here, draw what the A's tell you, or listen to the A's and draw what they say. And listen to the A's and try to make your pictures look like theirs. Okay, so you could also check here below in this box the Korean translation of the dialogue part. And another important note we have here that you need to take note of, giving directions for drawing pictures. So you have here, there is a blank in the middle, on the left, on the right, in the upper right corner. For example, you could say, there is a tree in the middle. Or you could also use, there is a tree on the left. Or, there is a tree on the right. Another one is, there is a tree in the upper right corner. So just like that, if you on how you're going to give directions when someone is drawing the picture. Also, we have here, it is a blank. So you could use a or an. So it is an apple tree. So remember how to what are the rules on using a or an, okay? So those are very important when you're giving directions, and you could also tell something about their color, height, size, or shape. So maybe, for example, you can say it's small, so that's for size. Well, it's blue for the color, it's tall for the height, and the shape, it's circle. So just like that, you're giving directions. So you need to be clear on how you're going to give directions, so the other person can draw it very well. And another one here is, there is a or an blank next to, by, above, under, near the blank. So this one you can these are telling directions also. So for example, there is a house next to the tree. So you use a because the word is house. It's consonant. And then next to, you can use by, above, under, near the tree, the road, or anything, as long as you can give the directions clearly. Okay, so that's it for our lesson for this video. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. Thank you for listening, and see you in our next video lesson. Goodbye.